And did you know that nearly half of all adults over the age of 30 have some form of gum disease? This staggering statistic highlights a crucial truth. Oral health is often overlooked, despite its profound impact on our overall well-being. We brush our teeth, maybe floss on occasion, but rarely do we stop to consider the intricate workings of our mouths and the vital role they play in our everyday lives. The truth is, a healthy mouth is much more than just a pretty smile. It's the gateway to our bodies, responsible for essential functions like chewing, speaking, and even breathing. When we neglect our oral health, we're not just risking cavities and bad breath. We're potentially opening the door to a host of serious health issues, including heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Taking care of our teeth and gums isn't just about avoiding trips to the dentist, it's about safeguarding our overall health and well-being. So, why do so many of us struggle to make oral hygiene a priority? The importance of good oral hygiene extends far beyond just fresh breath and pearly whites. Research has shown a strong connection between oral health and overall health, linking gum disease to serious conditions like heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. This connection might seem surprising at first, but it all comes down to inflammation. When plaque builds up on our teeth and gums, it triggers an inflammatory response in the body. This inflammation, if left unchecked, can spread throughout the bloodstream, impacting various organs and systems. Suddenly, that bleeding gum or persistent toothache doesn't seem so trivial. Beyond the physical health implications, our oral health also plays a crucial role in our self-esteem and social interactions. A healthy smile can boost our confidence, making us feel more comfortable and at ease in social situations. Conversely, dental problems can lead to self-consciousness, impacting our relationships and overall quality of life. Taking care of our oral health is about so much more than just avoiding cavities. It's an investment in our overall well-being, both physically and emotionally. We all know that brushing and flossing are important, yet many of us struggle to maintain a consistent oral hygiene routine. Life gets busy, we get caught up in our daily routines, and somehow taking care of our teeth often falls by the wayside. But why is it so hard to make oral hygiene a priority? One reason is simply lack of awareness. We might not fully grasp the serious health implications of poor oral hygiene or understand the importance of regular dental checkups. Another common barrier is motivation. Brushing and flossing can feel like tedious chores, especially when we're tired or short on time. Then, there are the practical challenges. Finding the right toothbrush, remembering to floss, dealing with sensitive teeth or gums. These obstacles can seem insurmountable, leading us to neglect our oral health altogether. But don't despair. Achieving a healthy smile doesn't have to be a constant battle. By understanding the barriers that stand in our way and adopting simple, practical strategies, we can make oral hygiene a seamless part of our daily lives. Let's face it, brushing our teeth twice a day and flossing regularly can feel like a chore, especially when we lead busy lives. But the truth is, maintaining good oral hygiene doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By incorporating a few simple steps into our daily routines, we can achieve a healthy, radiant smile without turning our lives upside down. First and foremost, make brushing a non-negotiable part of your morning and evening routines. Choose a soft-bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste and brush gently for 2 minutes, ensuring you reach every surface of your teeth. Don't forget your tongue. Next up, conquer the floss. Flossing once a day helps remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth, preventing cavities and gum disease. If you find traditional floss difficult to use, try floss picks or water flossers. The key is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. Finally, make regular dental checkups a priority. Visiting your dentist every 6 months allows for early detection and treatment of any potential problems, preventing minor issues from turning into major headaches down the road. By following these simple steps and making oral hygiene a non-negotiable part of our daily routines, we can enjoy the benefits of a healthy, confident smile for years to come.